Good groovy morning! I have just a little bit of peanut butter left in this jar, so let's make a peanut butter latte! So I've heated up about a cup of almond milk. You can use whatever milk you want. I'm lactose intolerant, so I gotta use non-dairy milk. And I'm just gonna pour it here. So I've put the lid on and I'm just going to give it a bit of a shake to try to get most of the peanut butter down from the edges. Okay, now I've grabbed my handy dandy milk frother, and I mean, you can get these at dollar stores now, so that's awesome. Yeah, I'm just gonna froth my peanut buttery warm milk now. You can pour your coffee and drink it directly out of the jar, but I think I'm gonna use an actual cup. It smells absolutely delightful, and let's go in for the taste test. Delicious. What a wonderful way to start the day. And of course I have my Drew Barrymore celeb copycat mug, and if you would love to see more of my celeb copycats, pop on over to refashionistasherry.com.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.